In this video, I'll show you how to get your money back on Venmo, whether you sent it to the wrong person, got scammed, or didn't receive what you paid for. Let's jump right in. First, open the Venmo app and go to the transaction you want to dispute. If you sent money by mistake and the person hasn't accepted it yet, you can cancel the payment by tapping Cancel next to the transaction. But if the payment has already gone through, you'll need to ask the recipient to send the money back. That's the easiest way, but not always possible, especially if they're ignoring you or it was a scam. In that case, go to the transaction, tap the three dots, and select Report Issue. From there, you can file a dispute with Venmo and explain what happened. You'll be asked to provide details like why you're requesting a refund and any messages or proof of communication. Venmo will review your case, and if it falls under their unauthorized transaction policy or merchant dispute policy, they may be able to help get your money back. Quick tip: always double-check who you're sending money to, and never send money to someone you don't know, especially for things like fake rentals or job scams. If this helped you out, hit like and subscribe for more quick money tips. See you next time.